I've just been wandering around and I did one shrine quest. I finally did one of the ones where they take away all your equipment. It was a bit tedious. And then I found another one that took away all my equipment, and I didn't do it because I was like, I'm bored. Anyway, I've been wandering around and I found this giant freaking block of ice. I was like going over here because I saw a pedal island that I hadn't done yet, which I'm pretty close to. And then I saw this giant thing of ice. Also, I finally realized that attaching a Lizalfa's horn was exactly what I wanted out of a weapon. I didn't want to attach a ruby. I wanted this. I mean, I don't know if it... Does it... Yeah, it does. Okay. So I can do this. But I can also just stand next to it and not just have a random weird ruby hanging off of a weapon. But what? Is it a cave entrance? Like, what is this big that requires an ice thing this big? Oops, did not mean to hit it. Yep, it's a cave. Bye-bye. Found another cave. Oh right, you guys didn't see me. I found the other cave. This one. This one. The Icefall Foothills cave, and I fought everything in it, even though I didn't really have to. Broke some stuff. Did some things. This is a cool cave. Let me tell you. Kind of narrow. A lot of bomb flowers. I'm gonna say thank you. I will say thank you for that. Almost broke that one fighting the bokoblins. And I broke that. Okay. Right, so that's what the bomb flowers were for. Or let's try, what's his face? Yunobo, where are you at? Yunobo, where'd you go? Bro. Seriously? You hiding? Dude. Where are you? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's a hole. Damn, what the hell? It's a good thing What? The fudge? It's a good thing I saved this. What the? Actually, let's use this since it's about to break. Nope. Can we do this? Oh, we can. Cool. What the heck? Is this the one I came from? No, I came from the top. Pretty sure. Before we go down... What the hell is that Birdman? I've seen that statue before, but what the heck? I can't pick those. Bud, relax. Okay. Oh, nice, nice. Thanks for being a hot spring. I appreciate it. You can give me a weapon, please? Maybe? Yes? Not bad. Okay, let's see. I guess I'm really gonna have to use this to open all of them. Oh well. We can fight another Talus another time. Oh! What? Oh, right. I do have a, I mean, not that I think it'll do anything, but maybe? No? Yes? Oh, I can. Can I just go in there? No? Fine. No, I guess not. Where's the chest? Sensor? Whatever. It's so foggy in here now, I can't tell what's going on. Okay. We have plenty more openings. Okay. Okay, so this is, I get it. We have to bomb flower it. Okay, fine. Seems a little wasteful, but... Oh, okay. You gonna come down? That's what I thought. There's an open one there. Oh, there's a bonfire over there. Let's get it. Let's see where are the other openings I haven't opened. Not one. There's quite a few of them, isn't there? Oh, wait, no. Mushroom. I like how Link still stays in there a little bit. What? The heck? That better be something real cool. Okay. I don't think I've opened all of them though, right? Okay, so it is that way. Oh, hi. Oh my god, he's in the water with me. Hi. Hello. Are you okay? Can you, swim? Oh, can swim apparently. Not totally corporeal, so that's cool. Okay, I want to make sure all of them are open. Open. Not open. Okay, fine. This is one of those I need to open with a... Oops. Look at a bonfire. Oh, smash. Bro. I can't see where I'm going. There you are. Aish. Yes, yes, yes. Show me, thank you. Ow, my neck. Really should do my yoga. Homing quality. I'm not going to use that for a homing arrow because it's much more valuable. What is that? Oh, electric keys. Okay. I think that's it. There we go. Time to go this way. I'm excited. So cool. These are the guys in Theron, aren't they? Oh, there's another one. What's happening? There's just a treasure chest. Better be something cool. These little 3 dudes guarding it. Hi dudes, you're really cool. Thank you for being cool. Oh, finally! Wait, was there supposed to be a riddle for this one? Where's Tulin? He's gonna look creepy with the I don't like that. I don't like that he looks creepy. Give me his face back. Okay, there we go. Cold resistance? Why do I need cold resistance when I already have cold resistance? In fact, I have unfreezable. I guess I just want to collect them. That one does look kind of cool on Link. Anyway. Now I'm like, wait. Va Meadow Divine Helm. I need to look up and see if there was a riddle for that. If you would stop doing that, I would love it. Scanning the what? Wait, they had this in Breath of the Wild? Oh, wait, it gives them more damage? To deepen the bond. Okay. Oh, man, that sucks though, because it's creepy looking. Whatever. There's a cool cave. I'm glad I found that cool cave. There we go. Oh, that's funny. Okay, we gotta get up there somehow. Let's see if we can. It does make sense now that the cave looks so unique. I wonder if I can just fly down to it from here. That would probably be way easier. guess we'll see. Oh man. I feel like I'm just gonna... No, I can't play Zelda all weekend. Tomorrow I have D&D. And hang out with Mom. Drain is this way. Oh wait, let's use this to launch us. Not this way. Not that way. Come on. There we go. Is this the right direction? I think so. Yeet me! Thank you. From here, hopefully. Save it. But yeah, it should be fine. Let's go into this cloud. Probably should have worn my flying squirrel. Yeah, it's fine. I'm pretty close. I mean, I can put it on now. Beautiful. Okay, now where do I want to go? Ooh. Let me catch you, please. Thank you. Okay. I don't really want to keep going in here. I did find some cool stuff. Got a bow, a shield that I don't need. Did not find any Lionels in the back country. Probably for the best. Selmy also wants to give me a pretty special shield, but I have too many shields already. I want to get weapons. I want to get more weapons. It's not very close to anything, is it? Oh, it's close to this. That's a shield, apparently. Why have I not been up here? It's fun up here, I feel like. Or am I remembering the wrong place? There's so many cool places around here that I just haven't been yet. Oh. Or haven't been back to yet. Just so many things. Haven't been there. You know what? We haven't been back to Zora in like forever. Let's do it. I could go to the islands. I haven't been to the 3 little islands. It's so pretty up here. Is this guy still just... Oh. Hi. How you doing? That is a shrine quest that I don't want to do. not gonna venture off the path for a frog. It's fine. Hey, Nifa. How you doing? Don't mind me. I just wanna, like, go over here. You know what? Let's go up to the... Let's go up. Why not? When it's this easy. It's fun. That's still down there. Oh, it's still low grav. Oh man, I missed this. The low grav was so fun. Oh man. Oh, this was so cool. Alright, too bad I have to go this way. Oh, it's a little fish. Floating Scales Island. I am like way off course. Okay, wasn't that the island where there was still a treasure that I could not find? I think there was. Oh well. What's that over there? Oh, I think it was supposed to... Ooh, monster camp. Yeah, no, we're not dealing with that. There's probably a cave down here. In a Cora. Still a shroom. Let's go around. I'm sure there's something here. Fine, I guess I'll put on the stupid helm. This person? Oh. I don't need these, but I'm still gonna collect them. Come on, hit him. Thank you. Bug collection. Thanks. They're pretty cool. Oh, okay. Sure. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. Thanks. Dude. Of course, it's below here somewhere. Dr. Water, you couldn't possibly tell me where the entrance to the cave is, could you? Okay. can take off the stupid hat. Doesn't seem to make that big a difference, I feel like, or I don't know, maybe just a little. I might just convinced there's a cave here, but there actually is not. Okay, so there is. I just don't know where the entrance is. Or maybe it's just down here. No. Let's just keep going. Okay, so I'm going in the vaguely right direction. I haven't been to the grotto. The grotto's gonna be fun. There's probably gonna be some caves there. Cork! I know what to do with this one. Finally. Nope. Hi. Good to see you too, dude. Look at all those rocks. Let's see what we can do with all those rocks. I thought I heard a little growling noise, but I think it was my stomach. Okay. Isn't there a cave in this side somewhere? What's that? Oh shit, it's the lady again. Oh no. I don't want to do that. What's this for, I wonder? Is that a chest? That's a chest down there. It sure is. Okay. Wait. Is that a cave? Sure is. There's even a horrible in there. Look at that. Look at that horrible little creature. That's a bad picture. Nah. That's a good one. He's in movement. Yeah. Oh no, that's even better. Look at that. He's scratching his head. I like that. Okay, I'll go in there later. Good thing I came down here. Be interesting if I like tried to lure him out here because he hates water, right? Fuck you, dude. Did I just kill him? That would be hilarious. Okay. Okay, so when I go down that way, he comes my way, but... Bye. Wait, did I kill that one? No, I didn't. Silver Horriblin. He certainly is horrible. Okay, let's put on my helm. Because apparently it'll give him more power. Maybe I should have a photo of that one. Oh gosh, it's gonna be such a hard choice. Replace picture though. Not very good aim, bro, but that's okay. Oh wait, let's get a... I'm sorry, but that's a great photo. Let's get his shit first. Nice. There we go. Good one, Tulin. Bye-bye. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. Do you still seriously have a stick with a... Amazing. It's got a bouncy stick. I still haven't done that. I still have not done that. Because gnarled long stick is a great weapon. Let me destroy fuse material and then give that something great. Ooh, do we want to do the ice Lizalfo's horn? I feel like that would be nice. Yep, let's do it. We got a lot of those. Beautiful. Now we got an ice weapon and a fire weapon. Though the fire weapon, it does look better on the blade of a thing like that, you know. It's a little bit awkward for the tip of this. We'll do it later. We'll do it later with another thing. Oh, look. Here's our friend. Shit. I'm just gonna grab this real quick. Don't mind me. He can't come up here. Can he? Yeah, he can't come up here. Oh, nice. We can let... Oh, it didn't do anything. Nice. I wonder if... Oh, it does do something. Okay. Okay, throwing does do things. We're each just throwing shit at each other. Nice. Oh, thanks. Oh, Tulin. I appreciate you, Tulin. Awesome. Ooh, shit, what? I was not prepared for swords, though. Okay, we're gonna drop this. Bird is 7. Broadsword is 10. Gonna have to take the broadsword. It's fine. Is there anything else cool over here? Other than possibly a treasure chest. Wait. Don't shoot while walking. You better give me something cool, please. No, not horrible. Not great, but not horrible. Okay. So we'll go back to the chest. Good thing I went up first. Oh, there's another chest here. Seriously? Okay, well, that means it's kept in there, so. No, that's not what I was trying to do. All of these weapons are just like increases power thing during a perfect dodge. I'm like, I'm not good at perfect. I'm not gonna be able to perfect dodge, bro. I am not that good. The only time I can perfect dodge is when the Lionel is charging at me because that gives me a good second to be able to tell what he's doing and know which way to go. Like, my reflexes are not great. I can also do a perfect parry if I've got for guardians, but only for guardians. Thank you. Let's pick this up. There we go. I wonder what like stones are good for. Nice, thank you. You're not giving me anything useless. Whoa, holy shit. That looks creepy. Okay, well, still is a cool photo. But okay, I better get out of this cave then. Wait, which way am I going? Wait, where did I come from? Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I mean, yes, technically I wanted to go to the islands, but not like this. Not like this. I thought I was going back out into the grotto. Did not think this time. I was like, wow, I really went up quite far. No, you went down, honey. You went down. Does it look like the wind is coming out of the rock? Got mysterious rock wind. New Hyrulean weather condition. I think I'm funny. But nice to know that there's a shrine there. That's where it came out. Okay.